taas ka ng konti, ano? Much better. Okay. Konti pa? One more? Hindi na? Okay. Okay, so, just look at the screen. Meron ba? Okay. From which number?
Like 12.
Okay, 12. Going to 6. Meron pa ba?
I can say like every 9, but
Yeah.
hindi masyado mga sa 8, 7.
Okay. So, which one is more darkest? The dark one. The darkest one. For example, this one is the darkest one. Example lang yan, ha? Okay, sa'yo.
I think-
ano siya nakita?
Between 12 and 11, I think.
Okay, very good. So, this one, no? Okay, so, since yan ang mas darkest, ang aim natin, mas mag-even sila. Or mawala yung standout line. Okay? So, may ilalagay tayo. Okay? And then, compare with the second. Which one is more equal?
Wait, can you go back to the first one?
Okay, good.
I think first.
Okay, this one. The first one.
I think.
Good. Okay. Then, can you read the number?
With the bottom or bottom?
The bottom.
4, 5, 9, 9, 5, 4.
Okay. Which one is more clear?
I actually don't know. They look the same.
Okay, almost equal.
Yeah, almost. Actually, they look the same.
Almost equal. Okay. Can you compare which one is more equal? This is the first one compared to second.
Oh, the second one is like more clearer.
More clear. Okay. One more. This is again the first one compared to second.
I think the second one's clearer.
Okay. Very good. So let's go back to that.
H, T, H.
Okay. Very good. So mas clearer na yung letter S. Okay. Next.
T, E, H, T, F, T.
Okay. Good. Kanina yung S-O eh. Okay. How about this one?
P, G, T, L, H, S.
Okay, letter H na siya. Previously, N to
N,
eh.
yes.
And then O, no?
Yes.
Okay. So, mas clearer, no? Okay, one more. Can you compare again? So, focus ka kay S. Look at the S. Compare with this one.
So it's clearer.
Which one is more clear?
It's
This is the first one.
the second one.
Compared to the second.
Yeah, the second.
Much better. Okay, one more.
F, L, S, E, H.
Okay, mas clearer. Okay, close your eyes, both eyes.
E, E, S, F, T, L. F, H, L, T, S, T. H, E, F, H, S, H.
Okay, so dito a little bit blur. Ano?
H. I just want to guess E, F,
Okay.
S.
So, blur out ko again, ha?